Do you need to find out how to replace the window switches or the central locking button on a Toyota Corolla from 2006 to 2012? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2008 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the central locking button and the window switches on this car. Now this process should be the same for all models from 2006 through to 2012, and the only tool you're going to need is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and it should only take a couple of minutes to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and set up the camera on a tripod and I'll talk you through the process. Okay, so this process is actually the same for both sides of the car. Obviously there's different numbers of switches on both sides, but all you're going to do is get your fingers in there and you're actually just going to pop that straight off. So there are a couple of poppers just around the outside there and they come off relatively easy. We've then got this electrical connection here, so what we're going to do is push that in and give it a bit of a pull, and once it gets to that stage it should actually come straight off like that. So this is where we're going to use our number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and we've actually got 3 screws, got one here and one there. We're going to take them all the way out. And once we've got those 3 screws out, it's really simple just to remove this unit. Now you can go ahead and actually take this apart further by undoing those 2 screws there. They are a bit difficult to get out, but from my experience it's cheaper and easier and quicker just to replace the unit. So you can get aftermarket ones of these, and you can also get plenty from breakers or scrap yards. So more often than not it's just the little micro switches inside here that breaks, so it's really easy just to replace the whole unit. So to put it back in, we're just going to do exactly the same bit in reverse. Just pop that in, making sure everything lines up. Then we're going to go ahead and get our 3 screws from earlier. Just pop them straight back in. And then we're going to go ahead and put that electrical connection back in, and then of course push that section forward till it clicks in, making sure it doesn't come loose. And it's just as simple as relocating it and clicking it back down. And then of course the last thing is to go ahead and test it. Perfect. So there you go, mine's all good. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.